Hey everyone, it's Dory here and welcome to another video. As you can tell from the title, this is another epic fail beauty and it is anti-Valentine's Day makeup. I wanted to do this video because I'm actually not, I don't like Valentine's Day at all. I could make a PowerPoint about that and I'm not going to. What I am going to do is I'm going to do 3 different looks that I found on the internet, and I will show you a photo of each of them before I start. And then the links to where I got these ideas and looks will be in the description below. I'll be honest, I think at least 2 of these, or maybe all 3 of them, are YouTube videos, but I haven't watched the videos at all. I don't want to spoil it for myself. I want to just go for it and see what the fuck is gonna happen. And this is the Anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial by Nikki Tutorials. So I've already put on the basic foundation and concealer. I haven't done anything else. I need, looks like a red. I don't think I even have red. I feel like that's such an uncommon color of eyeshadow to have. Oh, that one. That is it. I'm gonna go with this. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So I'm gonna do my highlighter. That's as advanced of makeup doing as I go. Okay, we want a wing of it basically. This is delightful already. How can I fix myself? Whatever. Alright, so my blending brush, this is it. It's very tiny. It broke off and I haven't had the chance to glue it back on. But I mean, at least it's very handheld, able to use it. I think I just wanted to get really ridiculous with makeup, which is why this idea, happened. So here we are. Well, no, that's her, that's her eyelashes. Which I am not doing because that's just a production and my eyelashes are already long enough and I really would rather not. Thanks. Let me try and put this gold, or whatever color this is, right here to make it shimmery, sort of. We're gonna do white. Should I be telling you guys what I'm using? So the white that I used is BH Party Girl Loose Powder. It is in what color? I don't know, I think just white, honestly. Italia Deluxe. Yeah, that's the brand. And it is the mirror under the... Oh. Wait a minute, there's a mirror? Has there been a mirror here the entire time and I just didn't know? How do I... Oh my god, guys. Anyway, it's a 10 shade color shade palette. And clearly it has had a lot of use. I'm gonna do my brows now. And this is the BH Cosmetics Studio HD Brow Pencil. It has the brush on one end and ta-da on the other. And I think this is ebony. That's what this color is. I'm gonna try this new mascara that actually a coworker got for me today. It is Rimmel in Extreme Black. It is their Shake It Fresh mascara. Oh, there is eyeliner. I just didn't even fucking look. Okay. So it looks like she does, whoa, I feel that. She has big lashes, so I'm gonna ignore that and just do a lot of, liner situation. Which, all around liner, I am usually not that good at. So I'm gonna start at the bottom with my tried and true Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It's in black. I've had it forever. And it is my favorite. I mean, that's as good as I'm gonna get with my eyeliner. Where's the top? It's a Milani Black Cherry lipstick. And I would do primer, but I don't care. And I'm gonna go for it. I don't think I did enough of the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do a quick fix really quick. Quick fix really quick. Oh boy, I'm a master at language. There we go. That's what I want. I'm so used to not even going near this part of my eye. Beautiful. Not really. Not really at all. For your viewing pleasure, I'm bringing you closer to this masterpiece of makeup that I have right now. I think, no, never. Also, it's too red. Like, it works with Valentine's Day, so I'm not really digging this anti-Valentine's Day vibe here. Maybe if I added more, like, I don't even know. My lip color could be probably darker. And I think maybe if I had more red, that would be better. I don't know. Beautiful, honestly. So we're gonna move on to the second one. I have reapplied the basics, and I also did my brows because I figured we'll skip that step for the rest. So this next one is definitely something I probably would have worn in high school. I'm gonna start with, I know we're supposed to start with lighter colors first. I'm gonna do another highlight, even though I have a feeling it's not gonna matter. Also, I tried my best to get that black eyeliner off, but it's just too good. So I did my best. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna end up using it anyway. First up, I'm gonna use, is this the gray I want? Yeah. It is ELF. I like to call it ELF because it's more fun. It's a palette. Actually, this one was a gift, and it has your basic colors, pretty neutral. Really bad idea. Oh, that is a lot of powder that just fell down at me. It's a bad idea to wear a white shirt, but I wanted to be comfortable. The last time I did makeup this like strong was when I was in high school, and I used to do like colors all the time, and it was a wild ride. I started, like, I had these 2 years where I wasn't in school and wasn't working, so I didn't really do makeup, and then I just got into just doing basic eyeliner, and that's really it. Got our gray. Then I'm gonna do 2 blacks. So the first one, where is it? It is Color Salon. It's just black. I got it off of, I think it's Wix. Not Wix. Wish. I got it off of Wish. And it's just, I needed a matte color. I just wanted a basic black. So I have a black eyeliner, my makeup. You know, this is just an adventure. Just kind of going for the ride, really. The makeup is really taking us places. Sort of do the smoky thing. I have had this palette since high school. This is actually the one that I used to use all the time. It is the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Sapphire, and it's because I just love the colors so much. It's beautiful. The only issue is it's very sparkly, so like, it's not as like dark and evil as I wanted it to look. Just, I want it to represent how dead inside I am. Also from the same palette, this Maybelline one, I'm gonna do the white sparkliness, which looks a little bit more gray than I'm used to, but we're gonna go with it. Just to kind of make things happen up here. It looks like, I don't know, I might just go a little rogue right now and do some eyeliner on the top. And spoiler alert, I use post-it notes to do it. It's like I'm getting annoyed that it's not as, I don't know, the bottom is what's getting me. So that's better. That's what I wanted. I'm going all out on that side. Okay. That's happening. I'm also kind of doing speedy because I'm hungry. So this lipstick actually is Forever 21. It's part of a metallic mini lip kit, lipstick set. I bought it for Christmas because I wanted it. There really was no other reason. And this is actually, it's not really black, it's like purpley. There you go. Yeah, so it's like a dark purple metallic, but you're gonna see. I wore the silver for my Mass Effect video. Here's look number 2. Let me get in close for you all. You can see my giant pores. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot eyeliner. I mean, not eyeliner. Mascara. Where'd it go? I don't do well when things are literally right in front of my skin. I'm definitely doing like a nice mask. Ugh. After all of this. And I actually am gonna do, ooh, okay. That would have been disastrous. I'll do the bottom lashes after all this. I already hate the bottom lashes. My issue is my lashes are very long, so it's annoying to have it there because it will always leave marks. But here you go. There you go. It's beautiful. I don't know how I feel about this. I can feel the mascara getting on me. This was a lot more funner because I actually like to do more darker things than like eye makeup than normal. I also got to use my metallic lipstick, which is pretty cool, though it doesn't really stay very well. So, sorry. I also feel the eye. There it is. There's the mascara right there. Right there. I have to say this one blended a lot better than like the other situation I was having with before. I wanted it, I think if I had, it's probably the fake lashes that she has that makes it like, but I'm not down for that. Here's my final one. It is blue. I don't know, I'm just gonna go with it. It's a bit ambitious. We're gonna see how this goes. I really don't think I'm gonna accomplish it the way that I want it to. I'm definitely not gonna look like that. So here we go. Here we go. Nope. I'm already failing. So I'm gonna start with my overall gray. Sort of. I mean, I really just needed the top part itself. Why did you do that? I did my, I have to be honest with you, I did bare minimum in terms of getting the makeup on from before, or get the makeup off from before. I actually really like this one. And I wish that I could accomplish the beauty that this woman is so gracefully done. I have blue liner. It's NYX. Oh, it's eyebrow pencil too. So it's NYX eye and eyebrow pencil. It is in Sapphire. This is what it is. I look beautiful with this, with my situation of post-its going on. I don't know how well this will go though. There you go. Definitely not even at all. Alright, and then the bottom, let's see, that looks like black. So we're gonna go back with this black. Just to really hone in on this bottom here. God, could you imagine if I did a whole video of makeup where I just sounded like I knew exactly what I was talking about, because that sounds horrendous. I need more blue. I need more blue going on up here. We're gonna get a little wild here, folks. Going rogue. And I want to try out this now that I know that it's an eyebrow thing. I want blue eyebrows. Who wouldn't want to just fucking color their eyebrows? You can kind of see it in here. You can see that bluish tint going on there. Now, if you thought I was just gonna skip over the glitter going on my eyelid, you would be severely mistaken, because I have Body Safe glitter. I bought it actually when I wanted to do my Lush bath bomb stuff, but it didn't come in time. It is BH Cosmetics glitter. It's just straight up loose glitter. It doesn't come out like consistent. You know what? I have something even better. So I actually do have Shine Shack glitter. I have, whoa, sorry, wow. And also I keep looking at the mic thinking it's the camera. There's a lot going on. So I have the glitter fix, and then I have the glitter. And then I'm gonna use this. We're gonna let that happen. Glitter, and it will stay for a very long time because I actually wore it during a Pride Parade in the summer-ish. I think it was summer. Oh, but it is going places for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express. Probably should have done this first before putting on all the fun stuff. Luca, what are you doing? So my lips, I don't have blue, do I? So I'm gonna get a little wild. I'm gonna take some petroleum jelly, and I'm gonna grab some blue eyeshadow. There we go, that's what I want. Alright, so it looks like petroleum jelly and then the pigment color. Here is my last look. I have glitter, I have blue eyebrows, blue lipstick that's really just eyeshadow with Vaseline, but I have to say I look pretty fly and blue, and I mean, who doesn't want this look? Here, let me show you my eyeliner there. I'm not really sure what to do about it besides add more glitter, which is really a problem I have. When I start using glitter, I just go fucking hard. Like, it doesn't stop. I'm just gonna keep going, so I mean, you can stay for the video, you could leave. Either way, there will be glitter on me. Now I have glitter eyebrows, and they're blue. I have glitter everywhere, I have makeup everywhere. Anyway, thank you for watching. This has been Epic Fail Beauty Anti-Valentine's Day makeup. It wasn't as angsty as I think it could have been, but it was a lot of fun to do, and it was really fun to just kind of play with makeup and see what would happen, see how much of a mess I could do, how much of a tragedy I could be when it came to makeup. And I think I really succeeded, and I think I did really well. As always, please leave a like, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. Leave me a comment. I'm gonna go try and wash off all of this stuff. I don't think it's gonna go very well. And as always, keep on shining, storytellers.